guys, I'll be analyzing 2 or 3 currency pairs. So I'm starting with Euro JPY, and today is the 10th of September 2022. So we'll be checking the market once again in a few days or 1 or 2 weeks to see the updates on this video. All right, so let's check for the trend. Let's look straight to the weekly trend. Okay, let me expand this. All right, can we see here there is a break of structure here? It's from a lower low here, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. All right, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it's going to form a higher high. So there are 2 scenarios that will likely happen. If you look at it, this weekly candle close with a doji. This is it here. Let me confirm. Oh, sorry, no, close with a doji. This is it here. So let's look at the daily time frame. All right, the daily time frame. Here is the daily time frame. There is a resistance here. So 2 scenarios will likely happen for the price to come back here to retest this area, and this area then continues in an upward movement, or breaks this resistance and continue up with its upward movement. So let's look at the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. We're trying to look for an entry. Okay, so 2 things happened here. There is a break of structure here. Can you see another break of structure downward there? So we are expecting price to move back into this resistance box and form 2 scenarios. Either give us a lower low, lower high, then lower low, or goes up to test it, form a higher low, higher high, come to test it, higher low, then continue an upward direction. Let me just show you what I mean. All right, something like this. Okay, all right, can you see what I'm talking about? So these are the 2 scenarios that will likely happen. So we can't say now until the market opens. Those are the 2 opportunities. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, this 1 hour time frame. Higher high, higher low, double top, double bottom, higher high, higher high, lower low. Can you see what's happening here? So we're expecting either a lower high, lower low, lower high, a lower low here, okay, then a lower high, then it continues, or it forms something like a lower high, higher low, then higher high, higher low, then it continues higher high. So those are the 2 scenarios we're expecting next week. So this is what I am expecting, but we never can tell. Market is funny, it could continue in a higher trend. So since its overall trend on the weekly and on the daily time frame shows is an upward trend, so let's go to the 5 minutes, the 10 minutes time frame to see what is happening there. So this is the 30 minutes time frame. Can you see? Yeah, so there is an entry already at this area because price has already formed a lower high, higher lower, higher low, lower low, sorry, a lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I'm expecting it to form a higher high again in confirmation of this upward trend, to come to pick the liquidity at this area, then it's continuing in a downward direction. So this is what I'm expecting when the market opens, or the market continues in an upward direction and wouldn't come back to pick the liquidity around this area. Can you see on this downward area? So we'll update this video again when the market opens, and we'll see what is happening in the next 1 week or 2 weeks and see its direction. All right, thank you. Bye bye.